We are here today with Emiro Khury with EK Consulting to talk about some of the trends in the cosmetics R&D industry. So I'd like to ask first, what do you think are some of the current challenges faced by the cosmetics industry?
Well, we have a lot of changes, especially when I see in this fair today, I see a very interesting changes in the way to prove the efficacy of the raw materials. Some old ingredient has a new concept based in a new point of view to prove the efficacy. This is very interesting. Mm-hmm. We can include, for example, the genetic concept in the base of the support the claim of the final product or the ingredient. This is very interesting to us.
So now thinking about that as, I guess it's not really a challenge, it's a new opportunity with the new way to measure, I guess, and that's a recent development. Are there any other interesting developments that you see, and maybe what are some of those challenges that they are meeting? Is it proving efficacy, that's the challenge? Yes. What other interesting developments are you seeing?
The usual is natural. All things are natural.
Yes.
It's very interesting. You can find preservatives, emulsifiers, all natural. Mm-hmm. In the final product, in the ingredient also. Mm-hmm. Not only to create natural products or organic products, it's to create the common product, but based in natural ingredients. This is interesting.
Very interesting. So now thinking about some of these technologies, where do you see the potential for future growth as far as market segment, category? What has the most promise for the industry?
Our next challenge is the efficacy, I think. Mm-hmm. To prove the efficacy, but at the same time to prove the security, improving the security range to support the new challenges. Mm-hmm. The natural is a way, but is not a direct connection between natural and safety. But the safety is the future. We need to discuss this point. We see this discussion in all points of the fair, talking about safety, talking about security at the same time. Mm-hmm. This is our future, our challenge in the future.
You might have answered my next question, but I was going to say, if you could give one message to the industry or convince the industry of one fact, what would that be?
Oh, it's difficult.
Yes.
It's very difficult.
Yes. That's fair, and you don't have to answer that.
No, it's not easy.
No. But the efficacy maybe and the safety is something that could be something to look at.
Yes. We have different kinds of techniques. For example, the genetic tools to support the expression of genes based in raw materials or other effects. I saw in a booth a new technique to encapsulate ingredient, not the liposomes, the old liposomes, the old techniques, but new techniques using a small particle of protein to direct the ingredient to a special cell. Wow. Not other, but only to liposome or to keratinocytes. This is interesting. Yeah. This is a vectorization of our concept. Mm-hmm. This is a new technique based probably in genetic. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't know.
Some interesting future outlooks, it sounds like.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Any other comments or questions that you would like to throw out there?
I am excited.
Yes. Well, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure.
For sitting in with us today, and have a really good show and safe trip home.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.